Hello, my name is Saha Zoua Cedric. I am a student at the ICT University of Cameroon, studying the field of software engineering. And today was the day of my defense, where I defended on my final year project entitled An IoT Solution for Efficient Irrigation in Agriculture to Optimize Water Usage and Crop Yield. Water scarcity in semi-arid and arid regions presents a critical challenge to this community. They struggle to meet their water needs for agriculture, which is not easy due to high evaporation rate in this region, low rainfall, and acute water shortage. So we aim at building an IoT solution which will help these farmers have a best experience of their irrigation process. So we built a system where it is composed of different sensors, 2 microcontrollers, 2 water pumps, and other interesting components. So this system is aimed at helping these regions have a better management of their system, where they have a user interface to get information about their irrigation process. They also have an LCD display which displays values, or can I say data gotten from the different sensors and displays on an LCD display. Moving on to the demonstration of the system, I'll start by illustrating the different components of the system. The external part of the system is made up of the water source, where we are going to get water to irrigate our land. This water source can be a well, it can be a river, based on the community providement. The system is already started. So this relay is supposed to control this pump from the water source, and bring water to our reservoir. So this is our reservoir. So if I plug my reservoir to a source of energy, you realize that the pump is filling our reservoir, and this sensor, which is the water level sensor, will detect the level of water in the reservoir. So if it reaches the water level sensor, it will send an information to the microcontroller. The microcontroller are inside. There are 2 microcontrollers, one to control the sensors, one to receive information from the sensors, and the other one to send information to our Blink application. So as soon as the water fills the tank, the water level sensor signal the microcontroller to command the pump to stop. So we are just going to wait for the tank to get filled. The pump gets deactivated. So the next thing is moving this water to our land. Suppose that this is our farm that we are, our garden that we are having at home or anywhere. There is a moisture sensor which detects the level of water in our land. So let me connect the pump supposed to control the pump related to the moisture sensor. Water is sent to our land based on the moisture sensor data. So as soon as the level of water in the soil is reached, the pump will deactivate. The pump is controlled using the activation of the pump is related to this relay, meaning that since this moisture detects that there is water in our land, the relay deactivates based on the information received from the microcontroller. So as you can see here, the relay is turned off. During my study at ICT University, I have acquired sufficient knowledge to build my final year project, and I am inviting any student who would like to build such system to visit ICT for more information.